Hey, welcome to my Urban Redneck. So it's 43 degrees in the wood shop, so I'm going to try doing some builds. Probably got to heat up my glue since it's only 43 degrees. But anyway, what I'm going to try to do today out of one fence picket, build this. I built this about 2 years ago. Never sold any. Didn't even put it on Marketplace or Etsy or anything like that. But I kind of liked it. Kept some things. Actually kept a lot of things that I build. But I'm going to try to build it out of this one fence picket. And fence picket less than $3. So hopefully I can make it similar or a little bit better. Put a nice little twist on it. So I usually build things and I keep it for myself where the wife takes it. But here are some things that some caddies, a little dough bowl, things like that. Also did a little chessboard I still haven't completed yet. Still got to finish that. And nice little box. I was going to make a little ottoman or a tabletop for it, or nightstand. You can play some chess on it. But some things I've been working on. And also a nice little box up there. Of course I haven't finished. But just so, yep, I'm going to try to do a little planter, put a little twist on it, and out of one fence picket. So here we go. All right, so first things first, bad boy, get all the nice little furs off of it. And yes, I'm using Ryobi, so don't have money for the big tools, so please don't judge me on my tools. Yes, I have a Ryobi there, Ryobi here, Ryobi there. Of course, I got my nice Craig jig. But hey, I got some nice tools over there, like I got my little Craftsman, things like that. So anyway, hey, let's get to sanding. Still doing it. All right. Routing test. There it is. So far, so good. Gonna put a little piece right here. Probably 45 right there too. It's gonna be a smaller piece, but hey, that's okay. It's gonna be nice and a little deep there. Nice little planter. All right. All right. Let's burn this sucker. This is pine. This is pine fence picket. So should be pretty good. It's so far good burn. Then we're gonna stain it. All right, we'll come back. All right, so just got done burning it. Now I'm gonna stain it. All right, stain it with some special walnut. I think it looks pretty good so far. All right, gonna stain it. All right, here's the final product. Pretty good. $3 build. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.